laps with the expert group, or the advanced, or whatever they call it. We now have the novice group going out, and I'm gonna let Scotty go ahead and take it out and have a little bit of fun. We just murdered a bird.
That was, sorry, it's not funny, but it's funny. That was one of the loudest pops I think I've ever heard.
And it didn't hurt the window.
Crap.
Good morning, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean, Dreamcars Daily, and we're off to Vegas and a track. And that Venador's loud, even at idle. We are at, not Buttonwillow, what's our race?
Marriott right now.
No, what's our racetrack?
Oh,
Chuckwalla. We are at Chuckwalla for about an hour and a half today. We've got the track rented out. It's a private track rental. So we're gonna get a chance to rip around the track a little bit, and then some more fun on our way to Vegas, and then Vegas. Just a Camry. And it sounds like we kind of have a mess here. Thomas had this all set up so that it was all paid for, and it was all essentially just set up for us, and now they're trying to charge us additional fees on top of what was already paid. So this should get interesting. First time with the Lotus on a track. We're good to go, and they're calling us, so let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. I did my laps with the expert group, or the advanced, or whatever they call it. We now have the novice group going out, and I'm gonna let Scotty go ahead and take it out and have a little bit of fun. Not like you get to do this every day.
fun for my first go at it?
No, it looked really good. Perfect timing. A bunch of people are getting ready to bounce. Track time is over. That's disappointing, but we got to have some fun. Well, now we get to have some more fun. Just a different kind of fun. 156, 158, 59. And brake. The first gas station after the track is 0.3 miles away, and yeah, I don't think we could have hit it any more close. We did fill up before the track. We literally filled up before the track, went to the track, burned all the fuel, and there's our gas station. If anybody's gonna get pulled over on the rally, it always seems to be David. And, well, yep, again. First casualty of the rally that I know of. Traffic court, buddy, they're gonna need you.
I think they heard.
It appears we may have irritated some people. Corsa rally irritate people? Never. And there's the troublemaker. Every time. How bad was it?
68 and a 55.
No,
How many Hot Wheels in there for the kids? I'll take 2 of those.
How fast were you going?
My friend here.
Somewhere in Mexico. We're up there a little ways.
My car's gone.
What happened?
Alternator belt went.
hey, bud.
How many kids?
Hold on, hold them up, boy. Hold them up.
Hey, hold them up right here.
There you go. Awesome.
Best gas station stop ever.
Right. I'm shopping here for gas every time.
That is awesome. Last stop of the day before Vegas is In-N-Out, which is required if we go out west. No In-N-Outs in Michigan. I don't think there's any In-N-Outs on like that side of the country. Your first In-N-Out.
Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, it's cracked up to me. You know it's not bad.
That 430 is ear-piercing and amazing. Wow, that sounds good. Well, we've had a chance to have some pretty good rips up until now. This stretch of road right here was amazing. Some really great sweeping curves. We were able to do about, I don't know, 40, 50, 5, maybe. But we have high rate patrol directly in front of us. Fun time is over for a while.
It's not funny, but it's funny. That was one of the loudest pops I think I've ever heard.
And it didn't hurt the window.
Crap. Shut. Blasted on there. Man.
Welcome to the Aria. This is our final stop for today. Oh, that is awful. That is a lot of bird remains. We're like celebrities, VIPs.
Way up.
We got the top floor on the last hotel. We got 51 out of 54. This will do.
This'll do.
We get complimentary masks. Here, Scott, I got you a present.
Hashtag post-COVID world.
I went way out of my way to get that for you. I expect a thank you.
This actually is more comfortable than my other face mask. Thank you.
It took him too long. Give me the mask back. We're gonna have to get. Wait, maybe. No, that's the last hotel. That's useless. Last hotel, no good. We'll fix that on the way back.
Yep.
We have 2 more things to accomplish tonight. Dinner at Nobu and bird removal.
Yeah.
Hey Scott, you like to take the car for a ride sometimes at night?
Yeah. That may not be happening tonight.
Here, would you
No, I'm good. That's you. That's you. I don't want to deal with that.
You're not an exterminator?
No, I'm good.
I guess I will remove the bird myself. Well, bird remains. If I don't break anything, I'm going to share the meal with you guys. So we have 6 courses. We found a car wash. Maybe a slightly sketchy car wash, but we found a car wash. Which means we can now be bird removal experts. Alright, well, bird removal novices, but it's gonna happen.
For the record, our detail guy never responded to our inquiry about removing birds from cars.
Yeah, you're right. This isn't a ghetto car wash at all. We get no soap. Or card readers. It's coming out in spurts. We got triple foam!
It has its moments.
Are you ready to eat off of it yet? No. Are there honestly no chips? After we bring it back and EcoBrite does his thing, I'll be ready to eat off of it. Until then, that's a big no.
If that flicker in the light doesn't say everything about this car wash, I don't know what does. It's just a little sus.
We're declaring the Lotus a bird-free zone. I'm pretty sure we're bird-free until tomorrow.
So Sean, this is a choice.
Life is all about choices. I made one.
This was one. Here you go.
You're the one who told me to pull up next to the cop. I chose to pull up behind him. I need gas. 2 cards, 2 pumps, 3, 4, 5 tries. And finally we have fuel. The cop didn't like me either.
Yeah, I didn't want to talk.
He wasn't friendly. I'm not going to say he didn't like me. He's probably a perfectly nice guy. He just wasn't in the mood to talk.
There's still time. He hasn't pulled off yet.
You should go ask for his phone number.
I can ask him for his card. If anybody has any issues in the Vegas area, you can call Officer. I didn't get his card yet.
It's Smith. It's always Smith. Good night. I'm tired. The other camera's dead. Recording on my phone.
I'm dead. I've got no battery life left.
Yeah, I don't think either of us do. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Pick up some merch. PureKalamazoo.com/Dreamcars.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, and the other one, like, yeah, all of that stuff. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.